Hey guys, I'm back with another video today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get Snapchat Plus Plus for free. It's the new method to get it since the old method got revoked and Apple has not allowed us to get it. So as you can see, I have Snapchat Plus Plus right here, and it's gonna ask you to trust the developer. So let me just go show you guys that it actually works. Okay, so I've trusted the developer. Now I'm gonna go back. As you can see, this is a real Snapchat Plus Plus right here. You could log in and have multiple accounts. So this is how you guys get it. You have to go on your mobile device on Safari, type in snap plus.club. Snap plus.club, just like that. Once you guys are on there, it's gonna load up the Snapchat injector, and you guys just want to press login. It's gonna say next step, we want to verify that you're a human because this is how they've been getting shut down. They've been getting reported by bots. So just press verify. It's gonna bring you on here, and this is how they prove that you're not a bot. So all you want to do is download 4 apps out of here. Download any of the ones that say run for 30 seconds, as you can see right here, because those are the easiest to do. And after downloading 4, Snapchat Plus Plus should start downloading on your phone by itself. Here, I'll download 4 just to show you guys, but I already have it on my phone, so that's 1. You have to run them for 30 seconds at least just to prove that you're a human. And 1 more. Okay, so I've downloaded the 4 apps. Okay, this is my first one right here. I'm just gonna run it. I'm not gonna run it for 30 seconds. I'm just gonna show you guys what you have to do. Just do whatever it tells you to do. You don't have to subscribe or anything. You don't have to do any of this. Just stay on the app for at least 30 seconds. So you guys get the point. And once that app is done, do your second app, then go to your third app, and then to your 4th app. Once you're done all 4 apps, you can feel free to delete any of the apps. It doesn't matter after. And you should see a Snapchat logo, and it should start loading on your phone. If it by chance doesn't work, try restarting your phone and trying again. But it should work, because as you can see, I can go here, I can log into any account, I can sign up a new account. It's just like the Snapchat app, but it's Snapchat Plus Plus. So guys, thank you for watching and have a good day. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll feel free to help, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.